736 on the key of F sharp. So F sharp is the 1, A flat is the 2, B flat is the 3, B is the 4, C sharp 5, E flat 6, F7, then back to the 1. So this is what we are going to be breaking down real quick. The melody line. So this is 7 1 7 6 1. Sorry, 7 1 2. Then so that's just the melody. So for the last notes, I slowed from A flat to A to B flat. So first chord, left hand side, this is F and E flat on my left. On my right hand side, I'm using my thumb to play the A flat and B flat together. Then E flat, then back to, yes, while keeping the B flat on top. So let's do that slow. Next chord over the 3, I have a rootless voicing on my left hand side, which is B flat, but you can see the way I tapped that twice. A flat on my right hand side. On the second drop, my left hand is playing the B flat. So this next chord, left hand side I have E flat, right hand side I have A flat major triad, A flat, C and E flat. Then resolved down to this. Left hand side is D, right hand side is A flat, B and D. You might as well add this to make it sound full, whichever works for you, but we just used just the D note. Then we'll move to the 6. This is a slow from E, F to F sharp. And left hand side I have E flat, B flat and F sharp with this arpeggio. Right hand side is doing A flat, B flat and C sharp. I will repeat the same thing and play it across different octaves. Then we now came back to the 4. So this is F and B flat on my right, play together. Then 1 7 6. Left hand side I have B, F sharp and C sharp. Then right hand is C sharp as well. Yeah, this is where the changes begin. Left hand side is doing F sharp and A flat, while right hand side is playing your E flat and F. So we have then 1 7 6. While your right hand is doing 1 7 6, your left hand will come back to F sharp. So let's take it slow. Yeah, like so. So that's it. So left hand side is now doing, this is B, F sharp, B, then C sharp and F sharp. So let's just play it and wrap everything up. You are great.